Japan is a miracle. A tiny chain of islands with almost no natural resources, sitting on one of the most dangerous tectonic zones on Earth. Earthquakes, tsunamis, typhoons, over and over again. And yet, it's one of the richest, safest, and most innovative nations on the planet. How does a country that shouldn't thrive actually outperform most of the world? Let's decode it. Japan is basically 4 steep volcanic islands, 70% mountains, almost no farmland, and barely any oil, gas, or minerals. It's like playing Civilization on nightmare difficulty, with natural disasters set to always on. Japan sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, squeezed between 4 tectonic plates. This means over 1,500 earthquakes every year, multiple active volcanoes, some of the deadliest tsunamis ever recorded. A country like this shouldn't become a global powerhouse. Most nations with these conditions struggle to develop at all. But Japan didn't break. Japan adapted. When you lack resources, you're forced to innovate. Japan turned scarcity into strategy. No oil? Build the world's most fuel-efficient industries. Little farmland? Invent high-density urban living and precision agriculture. Constant earthquakes? Become Earth's experts in mega engineering, shock-absorbing skyscrapers, and disaster readiness. Japan's buildings literally dance with the earthquake instead of fighting it. And when a massive tsunami hit in 2011, Japan rebuilt with new tech, new walls, new warning systems faster than anyone expected. Few countries innovate because they want to. Japan innovates because it must. But Japan's real power isn't tech, it's culture. A culture built on Kaizen, continuous improvement; Shokunin, master craftsmanship; Omotenashi, exceptional hospitality; collective discipline, society first, ego second. This mindset created bullet trains that run to the second, robots that assist the elderly, and manufacturing so precise it became legendary. Japan doesn't just build products, Japan builds perfection. By the 1970s, Japan turned post-war ruin into an economic miracle. It became a global leader in automobiles, electronics, robotics, high-speed rail, precision engineering. Today, Japan remains the world's 4th largest economy, despite having fewer natural advantages than almost any top nation. Why? Because Japan mastered the art of turning limitations into strengths. Its geography forced innovation. Its culture shaped discipline. And its economy learned to build high-value exports the world couldn't ignore. Japan shouldn't exist as a global superpower, but it does, and it thrives. When you see a Japanese bullet train flying past at 320 kilometers per hour, remember, it's not just a train. It's a symbol of what happens when a country refuses to accept its fate. This was Japan, Decoded. If you want more countries, mysteries, and global breakdowns like this, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Decode.